How to Get Whatever You Want. That's the title of my today's video. Yes, and it is possible to get whatever you want if you follow this one small simple technique. And it's not my technique, it's scientific proven technique. That is asking. Yes, just asking is the solution of your problem. Just asking. By just asking, you can get whatever you want. And I'm not joking. If you will watch the whole video, you will understand why I'm saying this. And I will try to explain it very smoothly to you. So, we often don't ask for everything. We just believe, we just assume that we can't get it. Imagine you want a dress or you want a car and you believe that, oh, ये तो मेरे लिए नहीं है. It is not meant for me. ये तो मेरे औकात के बाहर है. ये तो मेरे लिए है ही नहीं. Etc. etc. things. We just assume those negative thoughts in our mind. So just tell me, if you will not ask for it, if you will just assume it, how can you get it? Just trust me. How can you get it? Just think about it once. You won't because you are not asking for it. That's the problem. So from now onwards, whenever you will see the video, after that, ask. Whatever you want, ask for it. Don't assume negative thoughts, just ask for it. If you want that, ask for it that I want it. Trust me, it will work. Trust me. And this video has three parts, okay? Just watch till the end and you will understand why I'm saying this. Now you will say whom to ask. Ask to the universe, ask to yourself, ask to the God, anyone. Write in your diary, do anything, but just ask for it. That's the solution. Okay, so my today's video has three parts, which is asking, and it has three parts. Number one is asking is the beginning of receiving. Yes, until you will ask, you won't receive. It can be anything. It can be a simple materialistic object which you want, but until you will ask for it, you won't get it. Trust me. And that's the biggest problem that we don't ask. We just think that we won't get it. It is not for us, it is not meant for me, ये मेरे औकात के बाहर है, etc. etc. And that's why we don't ask. So from now onwards, whenever you will see this video, whatever you want, just ask for it. To the universe, to the God, anyone, just ask for it that I want it. That's the first part of today's video, asking. Because asking is the beginning of receiving. Just remember that. If I won't ask for it, I won't get it. So शुरू में ही ये मत सोच लो कि ये तो मुझे नहीं मिलेगा. मिलेगा. पहले मांगो. Just ask for it, then you will surely get it. Trust me. And the second point is receiving is not the problem. Yes, whenever you are receiving something is not the problem. You deserve it. Believe in yourself that you deserve all the good things. So whenever you will get something, don't think negative that oh my god, how can I get it? Do I deserve it? Etc. etc. Don't think about it. You deserve all the best things in the world. That's it. तुम सब कुछ डिजर्व करते हो सो तुम्हें सब कुछ मिलना चाहिए. That's it. Receiving is not the problem. Because मेरे साथ ये बहुत बड़ी problem है. Whenever I get something, I think negative. That how can I get it? Do I deserve it? Etc. etc. So after that, I stopped. That I deserve all the things. So I can receive it. The one thing is, I just have to ask for it. So from now onwards, just ask. And whenever you will receive something good, be grateful that you received it. Don't feel negative because receiving is not the problem. So the third one and the last one is receiving is like an ocean. We will understand this concept with an example. So imagine there's an ocean of receiving, okay, that you can receive anything. And you go there with just a teaspoon. समझ रहे हो? एक ओशन है जहाँ से आप बहुत सारा पानी मतलब बहुत कुछ आप ले सकते हो, पर यू आर जस्ट गोइंग विद अ टीस्पून. एक चम्मच लेके आप बस वहां जा रहे हो. तो क्या मतलब होता है? यू नो, लाइक आपको सब कुछ मिल सकता है, पर आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप खुद को समझ रहे हो कि मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं मिल सकता, मुझे बस एक टीस्पून जितना ही मिल सकता है और नहीं मिल सकता. But another person is going with a big bucket because he believes that he can get everything. Okay, the whole ocean is his. He can receive anything. But you are believing that you can just receive 1 teaspoon. That's your problem. That's why the speaker says that receiving is like an ocean. You can receive whatever you want. You can receive like how many amount you want you can. But you are the problem because you are just going with 1 teaspoon. So that's your problem. So from now onwards, just think that receiving is like an ocean. You can get whatever you want. You just have to ask for it. You just have to believe for it, and you just have to get it. That's it. And that's scientific. Just think about it. Because हमें अगर कुछ चाहिए होता है तो हम पहले ही सोच लेते हैं कि ये तो हमें नहीं मिलने वाला. तो तुम्हें कैसे मिलेगा? अगर तुम पहले ही सोच लोगे कि तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा, तो तुम्हें नहीं ही मिलेगा. So think that you can get it. Ask for it simply. Write it in your diary or ask to the universe that I want this. I want this. And the second step is believing. Believe in yourself that I can receive it. I can get it. And the third one is receiving is like the ocean. You can get whatever you want. So if you will ask and believe, you will get it. Trust me. Of course, you have to do the hard work, but you will get it. That's the point of today's video. That's the point of my making this video, to realize you actually that you deserve all the good things. You deserve all the best things. I hope I made you understand the all point, because I have made this video very short and simple. Just ask for it, believe for it, and you will receive it. And remember one thing, asking is the beginning of receiving. Receiving is not a problem, and receiving is like an ocean. So don't go there with just a teaspoon. That's the motive of today's video. I hope you understand it, and if you have any query related to the video, comment me, I will clear it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you like it, comment, like, and subscribe. And I will be back with another video very soon.